Good morning, everyone. It is March 23rd, Tuesday. Today, I want to remind you that a few people have some makeups to do. Lonnie and Vincent, you have a grammar quiz to make up from Friday. And we also took, excuse me, we also took a middle of chapter 7 quiz on Friday. So Alani, Imani, Morris, and James, you need to take that. I know, James, you were out of town, so you need to take that. Alani and Imani were absent, and Morris, you just didn't finish it. So you need to finish this. And then I will give time later for these people to finish these. But I would like you to do your grammar and middle chapter quiz. Alani, Vincent, Alani, Imani, Morris, and James in the morning. Next is grammar, daily fix it, and then you have a Kahoot to do for grammar review. I forgot to check the Kahoot yesterday morning, but today I will check it in class and give points for those of you who completed it. And for math, you have extra math like normal. And then you have IXL, level E, W9. I am wanting everybody to practice this one today because this is what we've been doing in class. So you are going to go to math, level E. Level E, let's go. Then we're going to go down, not to V's, to a W9. Yes, a W. W9. You're going to click W9. It's the only one of the W's so far. That's what we've been doing in class. Remember yesterday when we did naming fractions greater than 1? So this one is going to tell us a fraction. We have 4 pieces, right? And how many of them are there? 4. So 4 out of 4 is 1 whole. Again, it's cut into 2 pieces. And there are 2 pieces. 2 out of 2 is a whole. All right, so now this one is 1, 2, 3. It's cut into thirds. Remember, the denominator is just how many parts are in one whole. One whole. So this is the first whole. It has 3. So it has to be this one or this one. Then your numerator is all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 thirds. All right, denominator is going to be how many pieces one shape is cut into. So this one shape right here is cut into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your bottom. Then you're going to count how many there are all together. So this is 4 and this is 4. So that would mean 8 altogether. So your numerator is 8. 8 fourths. So you would click 8 fourths. Move on. Now let's look at another one. This one, what is one whole cut into? 4. So that's your denominator. So it has to be this one or this one. Remember, your denominator is going to be how many parts one whole is cut into because that's the size of the shape, fourths. Then for your numerator, we got to figure out if it's 16 or 4. Well, for the numerator, you count all the parts that are shaded or the ones that you want to count. For this, it's all of them. So 4, 4, 4. That would be 4 times 4 is 16. So it would definitely be 16 fourths. All right. So now just look, how much are they cut into? They're cut into 3 pieces each. So you know your bottom is going to be thirds, thirds, thirds. So it has to be one of those. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There's 15 pieces all together when you add up all the 3s. So it's definitely the first one. 15 thirds. I still could keep going. Now we're getting to normal looking fractions. Yay! Now you know that you're counting how many pieces there are in one whole for your bottom. There's 3. It's cut into thirds. And how many are shaded? 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's your numerator, or your top, is 6 thirds. Good. And now it's going to get bigger and bigger. This one, it's cut into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your bottom is going to be 4. How many are there all together? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. If you count every piece, it would be 20. Okay. All right. I think you get the point. This is exactly what we were doing in class yesterday. It's just got to get to 100 to pass it on IXL. You got this, you guys. I really hope everybody passes this today so that we can start moving on. All right. After your IXL, you're going to do your spelling practice pages. We're on the very last page. And then, oopsie, I'm on Monday. Spelling practice pages, yeah, page 83, the last page, 83. Then you have a story to read on McGraw-Hill. Big ideas in nature. This is the last one, big one we're going to read about nature's ideas. So make sure you read it carefully because we're going to add it to our writing today. So we're going to choose something to write about. Remember, we're writing about inspirations from nature. We're going to choose some idea from this story now to put into our writing for our last one. When you're done reading it, you're going to go to your Padlet and you are going to describe how something in nature led to a new idea. Surprise, surprise, we've been talking about this for 2 weeks. So you're going to do an ACE answer. Tell me about one thing in the text about an invention that was inspired by nature. Then tell me evidence. What does it say about it? And then tell me more. That way we have all kinds of ideas on our Padlet from what was inspired by nature from the story. And then it's class time. So here we go. Here is our classwork and what we will be working on today for Tuesday. Looking forward to seeing everybody. I hope you have a great morning and I will see you later.